It says it on the app.
Walsh, if you're here in the boarding area, please see an agent at gate 42 for an important announcement related to your flight to Los Angeles.
To all Spirit guests traveling on flight 1253 with your front seats available at the price of $49, as well as a few emergency exit row seats available with extra backroom space available at the price of $24. If you are interested in upgrading your seat and travel more comfortably.
Board right board groups in order, and we'll kindly ask you to step aside if you approach prior to your respective boarding groups on your passes. We are still looking for about 8 more volunteers to check through your roller bag, your carry-on items due to your travel destination today with Alaska Airlines, whether it be to Los Angeles or to whatever collection city that you may be traveling to. See us here at gate 42.
If you do not get enough bags, you will have to check the bag in. You have to collect it from the in group. So if you're in that group, you come on and just bring the bag up. Or if you like to check in your bag, you can. So once again, we need about 9 more volunteers to check in your bag. Thank you so much.
Okay?
Yep.
You're all set?
Thank you.
Now we're going to welcome our eligible Alaska credit card holders in boarding group C as an entire base that will be located on your boarding pass.
Oh. Good morning. Good morning.
Slides will exits are marked with red or white signs. In a dark cabin, put a level light or mark the route to the exits. Take a moment to look around and locate your nearest exit. It may be behind you. In an evacuation, leave our current items behind. To fasten your seatbelt, place the flat end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling on the strap and unbuckle by lifting on the top. Keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight whenever you're seated and remain in your seat when the seatbelt sign is on. If needed, an oxygen mask will drop from the panel above. Stay seated and pull down on the oxygen mask to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face coverings and causing others to keep it onto your mask when remembered is no longer necessary. Single chamber light vests are located in the compartment overhead. If in light vests will be provided if needed. If instructed by a crew member, press on the words push your light vest inside to access your vest. Grab a light vest, push up on the panel to close, then tear open the back and remove the vest. Place the vest over your head. Bring the waist strap to the front and buckle. tightening by pulling on the end, just to leave the aircraft into the vessel pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also manually inflate the vessel belonging to the tube. The light will activate in the water. There are 4 life rafts on board, 2 in the forward ceiling compartments, and 2 in the ceiling compartments near the middle of the aircraft. The evacuation sides of the forward doors can also be used for flotation. Federal law requires you to comply with all crew member instructions, light signs, and posted placards. Federal law also strictly prohibits smoking, vaping, chewing tobacco, or consuming your own alcohol anywhere on board the aircraft. Tampering with the ceiling or destroying lavatory smoke detectors is also prohibited. Your safety and well-being are important to us. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a crew member. Please use the lavatory in the cabin in which you are seated when available. Today is 5 hours and 17 minutes. At this time we'll be dimming the cabin lights. If you would like to make use of our reading light, the buttons of every seat, thank you. And once again, welcome aboard. to Los Angeles. The local time is 9:38 a.m. Please keep your seatbelts on or pause to turn off the seatbelt sign when it is safe to get out. Your belongings should remain stowed until we've reached the gate. If the phone is closed, you can take it out of airplane mode. Further baggage service guarantee your best will be a baggage claim within 20 minutes of arrival at the gate, or see a baggage agent to receive a discount of miles hours to reach your flight. For information about connected flights, check the monitors at the terminal and please use your last account's mobile app. On behalf of all of us at Alaska Airlines and our One World Airline partners, it has been a pleasure serving you today. A special thank you to our milestone members and elites. It was nice to see you again. Thank you and take care.
Huh? Where the aerosols at? Move on one side. Huh? There's the flight I just got off of, Alaska 289 from Newark. We arrived early. Nah.